are making some fish patties, and here are all our ingredients. I'm going to use sweet potato, so I'm going to cook those. There's 1 onion which I will chop and saute just in some olive oil. We have some tuna. This one is from a tuna can, but we have some fresh salmon. We have some fresh prawns as well, and also some bass fillet. Now those raw fish, I will poach them first. I will use a fish stock, but you can really use the chicken stock as well. Put some salt and pepper on first for the nice taste, and just poach them 2 minutes for the prawns, 3 minutes maybe for the fish, but really quickly. It doesn't need to be all cooked through because it will go in the pate and cook again. And we're gonna add to this some parsley and some lemon thyme, and also some breadcrumbs, 3 eggs, and the zest of 1 lemon, salt, pepper. So it's all here ready. Let's get started. We're just gonna go and poach the fish and come back and put it together. So we've cooked our sweet potato. They're all here. Now we're gonna add 3 eggs to the bowl. So here's our eggs, and I've poached all of the fish and the prawns. So here's our salmon, and it takes only like 2 minutes to poach. So you can see that it's not super cooked. So it's gonna continue to cook when we cook our pates. So we didn't want to have it too much. So here it all goes in, and then our bass. And I pull it all apart to make small pieces just by hand, not cutting with the knife. I just prefer that. And we have our prawns, which are also chopped in here. There's the tuna, this one from the can, so I didn't cook that. It's already cooked. Our tuna. And we have 1 onion that is just sauteed, and if you can see, it's not fried, it's just cooked. And we're gonna mix it together here. What's next? We have our herbs. It's parsley and lemon thyme in there, and I'm gonna add the breadcrumbs, and then lemon zest, salt, pepper. So the lemon zest is going in. Salt, pepper. Now this bowl is so full, but it's gonna go down because we're gonna smash those potatoes and mix everything together. So it's gonna get down. So it's ready already, and we're gonna make our little pates. So just like this, just pat it together, and we'll put it on baking tray. That's holding together perfectly. And to finish, we're gonna just put a little drop of olive oil on each, so it's gonna nicely brown in the oven. It's gonna go at 200 for just about 15 minutes. 200 Celsius, about 375 Fahrenheit. ready to go into the oven. Here it is, it's ready, the fish patties, full of goodness. So we can keep that in the fridge and heat them up in the oven just about 10 minutes before having it with a nice salad. It's perfect. Bon appétit!